Hello, I'm making this video due to a lack of documentation about these trucks and about the specific part of the truck, being this vent right here. I've looked everywhere online for them, and I've never been able to find what it looks like under the hood, so I'm going to show you that. I picked up this set of side vents and the 427 emblem. I have not going to install that yet, just because I don't want to be given crap for up badging a truck. So even though it doesn't really matter, I might put them on. But I have this side and I have this side marked out for it, and I'll most likely just put the two vents on it because I like the look of that. But so one of the problems I had was I had gotten one of those vents, but I did not know the location of where to actually mount it. But I now have, for anyone that is interested, I have the way to mount it. So from the back of the hood to the back of the hole is 12 1/8 inches. The hole itself is 12 5/8 inches by 2 inches, and the bottom to the bottom is 1.5 inches. Now doing that, you can map it out and draw it and put it on there. And you don't have the holes, but you can line up the piece that if you have it, and you can do it that way. And on this side, you can see I have it installed. It's a little bit crooked right now just because I need to adjust it with the little things, but I don't want to wear out the little prongs, because once you do it, you can't really fix them without soldering it. I'm gonna get these re-chromed as well because they're very expensive. If we look under the hood, this is one thing that I had no documentation of, is what did it look on the inside. So there's actually a piece right here that's about the same fiberglass material as the heater box, and it mounts to the back hood support, it mounts to the front hood support, and that's basically it. So it's just that piece. So for anyone wondering what they look like, that's what they look like.